Good evening, teacher.
Hiba, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I am okay, thank you, God. I think we have to wait for your friends to come.
Okay.
Zainab is coming. Amazing.
Good evening, mister.
Good evening, Zainab. How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm pretty good. Thank you so much. Tagreed is coming. Okay, because most of you are here, guys, I think we have to start. So, good evening, Hiba, Raed, Tagreed, Zainab, and Ghadi. So, I think I have to
Good
say
evening, teacher.
good evening, guys, and we have to complete. Guys, we are about just to finish our course. Maybe we still have 2 or 3 classes maximum to finish our course. So please, you have to study well. Absolutely. By the end of the course, there will be an exam. As usual, as you noticed in level 1, the exam is going to be for a complete 2 hours. So you have to study very well just to be able to make level 3 little easier to you. Okay, so I think I have to go down to the point that we have stopped and then we have to complete. Let me go up. No, it's not this one, but it is this one. Yes. Okay. So guys, we have finished talking about this text, which is about singing for their supper. Now we have to discuss this new page, which is talking about the weather. So, what's the weather like? In the first exercise, guys, we have this map. Absolutely, we have some countries on this map. Now we have to know the weather concerning every country that we have. So, okay, guys, try to mute yourself. Jamila, you're always busy. Too much noise that you have. Okay. So guys, if you notice in this page, we have some countries. Let me read the countries to you. We have London, we have Oslo, we have Moscow, Warsaw, Berlin, Budapest, Nice, Rome, Madrid, and we have Istanbul instead of plus we have Athens. So we have to listen to the recording. Please, guys, listen carefully because we have to check the weather in every city. But before that, let's discuss this box. If you notice, guys, this box consists of the most familiar adjectives we can use to describe the weather. Notice we have sunny, rainy, windy, snowy, cloudy, and foggy, plus stormy. Do you know the meaning of foggy?
في ضباب.
Yes, exactly. Okay. I need you to notice something, guys, in these adjectives. Most of these adjectives are nouns. You notice, especially, I'm talking about especially in weather. You notice that we have sun, we have snow, we have wind, and absolutely we have a cloud. You notice that all these adjectives, if I want to, this is a cloud. If I want to, if I want to make the adjective, I can add y at the end of the noun. So notice sun, if I want to add y, it will be sunny, snow, snowy, wind, windy, cloudy, cloudy, fog, foggy, storm,
Teacher,
stormy, and wind, windy. Yes,
what is meaning of Wendy?
windy is مليء بالرياح.
Stormy.
foggy.
Foggy is ضبابي.
قلنا فوجي ضبابي. Stormy.
stormy عاصف.
Okay,
مم.
thank you.
أكيد جايز الرياح بستورمي أقوى من ويندي رياح مجرد رياح بس ستورمي it is عاصف.
teacher
Okay?
فيك ترجع تعمل معروف ترجع تعيدهم ما لحقت اكتبهم كلهم.
Yes, these are the adjectives if you can see. I don't want to go down a little bit because we still have some adjectives. I don't want you to see them now. If you notice غادي here we have sunny. This is number one.
لا بس معناته بالعربي بس.
sunny مشمس.
سنوي وفوجي وسترومي.
snowy مثلج. windy مليء بالرياح. rainy ماطر. cloudy مليء بالغيوم أو غائم. foggy ضبابي. stormy عاصف. Okay, guys?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Now, let's listen to the...
Okay.
Exactly. We have to listen to the recording. Guys, please, you have to follow the speaker. Don't forget that in every map, we have compass. Let me tell you something, and please listen to me carefully. We have compass. Absolutely, this is east. East, الشرق. This is west, الغرب. This is north, الشمال.
North.
Bravo. North, الشمال. And finally, what is الجنوب?
South.
Exactly, it is south. اوكي كمان جايز حتى الاتجاهات اذا بدي اضيف لهم اي او ار ان حتكون adjective. يعني لاحظوا جايز south هي جنوب. اذا بدي اقول جنوبي I have to say southern. So ERN. If I want to say east, eastern. ERN يعني شرقي. west, western. ERN يعني غربي. north, northern. أكيد يعني شمالي. أكيد جايز لازم نعرف الاتجاهات لأنه هلأ السبيكر بده يخبرنا إلى الشمال إلى الجنوب إلى الجنوب الشرقي وأكيد شرقي هي eastern أو إلى الجنوب الغربي إلى الشمال الجنوبي أو ما شابه. So please you have to be careful because these are the directions. Okay, so let's listen and absolutely we have to know the weather in every country. So the recording is 11.9. If you cannot understand the full recording, absolutely we can repeat whatever you want. So 11.9, let me play the recording. This is unit 11 and this is recording 9.
Tape script 11.9. What's the weather like?
Here's Fiona with the weather for Europe for the next 24 hours.
Hello there. Here's the forecast for Europe today. At the moment, there's some wet and windy weather over the UK and Scandinavia, and this is going to move south and east over Poland and Germany. Temperatures in Berlin and Warsaw are now about 20 degrees Celsius.
What? Berlin and Warsaw.
Berlin.
Uh-huh.
20.
Yes, 20 Celsius.
Yes, 20.
Exactly. So the weather in these two countries, Berlin and Warsaw, 20 Celsius. So thank you so much. Now we have to complete listening. Please listen carefully.
But it's cooler in London, 19 degrees.
What?
London 19.
Yes,
19.
exactly. There is a good adjective, guys, I need you to keep in mind. Cooler, cooler, أبرد. This is it. So the weather of London is cooler. Absolutely, this is 9. I'm sorry, maybe I didn't write it correctly. So 19 Celsius in London. So let's complete listening.
And cooler still in Oslo, 17 degrees.
What?
17.
17.
Yes, so the weather in Oslo is cooler than in London. It is 17 Celsius. So let's complete listening.
To the south, it's a bit warmer. In Budapest, 23 degrees.
What?
23.
23
23.
to the south, exactly. 23 degrees. Okay.
To the east, cool and cloudy in Moscow, where the temperature is a welcome 15 degrees.
So
15 degrees.
15 degrees. Don't forget that she said cloudy. So cloudy. مليء بالغيوم. This is it. Okay, so let's complete listening.
After all that extreme summer heat. Moving south, it's getting warmer. 24 degrees in Rome.
What?
94.
24.
Roma
Exactly.
24.
So notice the weather is warmer. Warmer هي أدفأ. طبعا أكيد في فرق بين hot و warm. So the weather in Rome is warmer than the north in Moscow. Okay.
But it's going to be cloudy and showery across much of Italy. And all
It's going to be cloudy and what? Again, there is a good vocab. I need you to listen. So please listen.
welcome 15 degrees after all that extreme summer heat. Moving south, it's getting warmer. 24 degrees in Rome. But it's going to be cloudy and showery.
It's going to be cloudy and what?
Showery.
Yes. So showery. غزير بالأمطار. So this is it. This is again a good vocab or adjective for the weather. Showery, cloudy, rainy, warmer, and something like that. Okay, so let's complete listening.
across much of Italy and also over northern Turkey, with heavy rain in Istanbul and a temperature of 21 degrees.
What?
Rainy, 21 degrees.
Yes, it
21.
is rainy.
Rainy, 21 degrees. Yeah.
Thank you. It is 21 Celsius. Okay. Now we still have Nice, Athens. Okay. And Madrid, absolutely.
Most other Mediterranean countries are going to be warm and dry. Greece will be hot and sunny, with a lot of late summer sunshine. 28 degrees in Athens.
What?
28 degrees and
28.
28 degrees.
Exactly. It
Sunny.
is sunny. Thank you. 28.
Warm and sunny.
Yes. Okay.
and warmer still in Portugal and Spain, with temperatures up to 32 degrees. France is going to be cool
32
and cloudy
degrees.
in the north.
32 degrees.
32 in Spain. Now she is talking about France.
20 degrees in Paris, and hot and stormy in the south.
So,
20.
20
degrees.
exact,
Paris.
20 degree in Paris. We still have Nice.
With a high of 29 degrees in Nice.
What?
29.
29.
29. Exactly in Nice. So this is it, guys. If you want to mention the weather, you can say Celsius and you can say degrees. It is up to you. And it is extremely important to know the adjectives about the weather. And don't forget, guys, the directions. South, north, east, and don't forget to mention the adjectives. Okay, so these are the adjectives the speaker mentioned. Now, we have new adjectives we can match in exercise 2. If you want to take a look, guys, at the box in exercise 3, so let's try to take a look at these adjectives, which words we can use from exercise 2 can go together with the words in exercise 3. We have hot, warm, cold, hot and
The same meaning
Sun.
of sunny.
Warm.
exactly. So I
Sunny.
can say it's hot and sunny. So this is hot and this is sunny. It's cool and rainy. This is cool.
Yeah.
This is rainy. What
Yeah.
else? Can we make some
Snow
sentences?
cold. It's
Mm,
cold
it's
Wet,
Dry.
and snow.
foggy.
it's wet and foggy. Amazing. It's wet
It's
and
cold
foggy.
and snow.
اوكي
Snowy.
غادي ما ننسى انه بدنا نضيف لاحظ انه هون hot noun بس ثاني adjective cool noun
It's
هو
cold
ثاني adjective
and snowy.
It's cold and snowy. Also.
it's cold and snowy. Thank you, غادي. It's cold and snowy.
It's dry and sunny.
It's dry and sunny. Amazing. It's dry and I can say sunny.
We can say it's warm and sunny.
Yes, it's warm noun and sunny adjective.
It's cold
It's
and
cool
stormy.
and
It's cold and stormy. Amazing. What else?
we all
Cool
it's
and
cold
rainy.
and cloudy.
It's
For
cool
example.
and
Exactly.
sunny مش هيك؟
Yes, it's cool and cloudy. I
Cloudy.
cannot. Can I say cool and sunny? I think I can't because cool is bad, sunny is مشمس. I don't think that this noun and adjective are suitable together. So notice, guys, that I can use these nouns or these adjectives with the other adjectives that we have. Okay. Ali. Who is Ali, guys? I don't think that we have Ali in our class. Do you know him?
No.
Ali Zain. Who is he, guys? Ali, can you hear me? Ali
Yes,
Zain.
yes, doctor.
Yeah, please.
Yes, doctor.
Can I know you? I think this is the first time I checked your name.
Yes, that's the first time I entered this Zoom meeting.
Who told you just to enter this Alam al-Din?
No one. Just I'm
How?
a new student.
Okay, how? Who sent you the link, Ali?
Oh, my friend, my friend.
Okay. Can I know your friend, please?
He's unknown. He just sent me the link and I entered this link Zoom meeting.
Okay, but can you tell me the name of your friend?
Yes, he's unknown. I don't know him.
He is unknown. Come on, guys. Okay. By the way, welcome here, Ali. And absolutely, I cannot mute you or something like that. Okay. So guys, you notice that here it's about the weather. Now I think we have exercise number 5. We have to listen to the recording and we have to complete the conversation. So it is 11.11. Let's listen carefully. This is 11 and this is recording 11.
Tape script 11.11.
What's the weather like today?
It's cool and cloudy.
It's what?
It's
Cool
cool
and
and
cloudy.
Bravo.
Cloudy.
It's cool and cloudy. So this is cool. Exactly. This is cloudy. Next.
What was it like yesterday?
Oh, it was wet and windy.
What?
wet and
Wet
windy.
and windy.
Wet
Wet and
and
windy.
windy. Exactly. So it was wet and windy. Now let's check the weather about tomorrow.
And what's it going to be like tomorrow?
I think it's going to be warm and sunny.
What?
Warm and
Warm
cool.
and sunny.
Warm and sunny.
More than
Exactly.
sunny.
Warm and sunny. Zainab, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
teacher warm
آه.
شو قلت لي معناتها بالعربي؟
دافئ.
اوكي
طبعا أكيد hot guys hot أكتر من warm.
بس اثنيناتهم انه نفس المعنى.
No. warm is دافئ بينما hot يعني بصراحة خلينا نقول بلغتنا نحن كتير شوب.
اوكي ثانك يو.
Zainab, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Zainab, what's the weather like? I think you are living in Saudi Arabia.
No, in Dubai.
Okay. What's the weather like in Dubai?
The weather today in Dubai is hot and dry.
Holy God, here it's cold. It's rain. We are freezing.
Stormy.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much, Zainab. Hiba, can you hear me?
Yes.
Where do you live, Hiba?
Lebanon.
Where exactly?
Aramun.
Yeah. And what's the weather like in Aramun?
Rainy. Windy. Cold. Cloudy.
All of this. Thank you so much. Ghadi, can you hear me?
Yes yes.
Ghadi, where do you live?
And I'm
What's the weather like?
the weather it's cold and snow.
It's cold and snowy. Ah, exactly. Thank you so much. Hamad, can you hear me?
Yes, mister, I can.
Hamad, where do you live?
Actually, I live in Baalbek, but now I am in Zahle.
And what's the weather like in Zahle? It's an open area.
Yeah, it's so cold.
I know. Is there any snow
Yeah.
there, Hamad?
Well, no, not yet.
Not yet, but I think, guys, I expect the next days to be snow in Zahle.
Yes,
So,
Yes.
I
please,
think tomorrow.
please be careful.
Yeah.
Okay. Jamila, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Jamila, where do you live?
I live in Ghaziya.
What's the weather like there?
The weather, like today, stormy, very stormy. It is rainy, cold, and cloudy. It is very, يعني, cold and cool.
Thank you so much, Jamila. Raed, can you hear me?
Yes.
Where do you live, Raed?
And Nabati.
And can you please tell me the weather there?
Cold and stormy.
I know. Thank you so much. Tagreed,
Yes,
Tagreed,
teacher.
do you live in the same place?
Yes, I can.
And
I live
Uh-huh. What's the weather like?
The weather is very stormy and cold. It's cloudy.
Yeah, thank you so much. Be careful because the weather is really bad.
Yeah.
Ali, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, teacher.
Where do you live, Ali?
I live actually in Baghdad.
And
It's cold and rainy.
yes, I heard that in the capital city, it's really cold. By the way,
Yes,
guys,
always winter.
be careful because the weather in the next few days are going to be extremely bad, windy and snowy, especially in the mountains. Okay, now guys, we have to discuss a new activity. So we have finished talking about the weather. Now we have this activity, which is about making suggestions. Now, absolutely, guys, we have some people do some activities in good weather, but other people do other activities in bad weather. Now, I have to ask you some questions about the activities that you do in bad and good weather. Zainab, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Zainab, if the weather is bad, what do you do?
I think I make a cup of coffee and I
Mhm.
stay home. I lay on the couch. I make some popcorn and watch a film.
Amazing. Yeah, especially at night. Thank you, Zainab. Hamad, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Hamad, what do you do if the weather is good?
Um, I I will go with my friend um, to I go with my friend for a trip.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Hamad.
Yes.
Raed,
Yes.
Raed, what do you do if the weather is extremely bad?
Um, I stay in home
And do what?
and eat.
Oh my God, you will be fat, Raed.
Yes.
How much does you weigh, Raed?
75.
You will be fat. Don't eat too much.
Okay.
Jamila, can you hear me?
Yes.
Jamila, what do you do in bad weather?
آه، أول شيء في لك الإجابة اللي براسي.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Every time I read a book, I read books and I drink coffee. But in a good weather, I draw and play sports. But in a bad weather, I stay at home and watch my favorite series and eat everything.
Amazing. What's your favorite what?
Series.
It's series.
Series.
Let me write the two words because some students commit some mistakes in pronouncing the words. Approximately, they are the same, Jamila, but absolutely the pronunciation is different and the meaning is different too. So let me write it.
series يعني جد وسيريز يعني
Exactly.
مسلسل.
No, this is
Okay.
series, and this is serious. Are you serious? So this is series, and this is serious.
Okay, thank you.
Can you read them again, Jamila?
Series and serious.
Exactly. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Tagreed, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Tagreed, what do you do if the weather is bad?
If the weather is bad, I stay in home because I don't like to be freezy. And I can watch film or um, maybe study in this time. And on this.
Do you go out if the weather is bad?
Um, no. The most of the time in home.
Okay, amazing. You said, Tagreed, if the weather is bad, I stay what?
In home.
Okay. Guys, there is a big difference between home and house. If you want to say house, you have to say in. But if you want to say home, you have to say what?
At home?
Exactly. So I stay at home.
At home.
Yeah, I
Yes.
know they are a little confusing. By the way, thank you so much, Tagreed.
Thank you.
Let me ask. Um, I think okay. Hiba, can you hear me?
Yes.
What do you do, Hiba, if the weather is bad?
But I cook sweet and I read a book. I watch TV.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Ali, what do you do if the weather is bad?
Yes, teacher. Uh, I wake up, play cardio at morning, and eat like 3 times on breakfast and lunch like 4 times, and burn it out at the gym.
You eat 3 times in the morning.
Yes,
Holy God,
because I'm
that's
bulking.
yeah. To be honest, in winter times, guys, we eat too much.
Yes, of
This is
course.
why we will get weight.
Eating like cow, yeah.
No, you're not. No, you're not, Ali. But guys, be careful. Really, you will get fat, especially in winter, because losing weight in winter is really hard. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Now let's listen to the recording about the conversations that we have, the things that people do if the weather is good, and other people if the weather is bad. So it is recording 11.12. This is recording 12.
Tape script 11.12. Making suggestions. 1.
What a lovely day.
Yeah, it's really warm and sunny. What shall we do?
Let's go for a walk.
So,
Warm and sunny.
Go
Very
for
warm
work.
and sunny.
Let's go
exactly.
to work.
Exactly.
Go
Go
for
to
work.
work.
So, the weather is
Good,
good. So,
good, yes.
bravo. Go for a walk. This is conversation number 1. Now 2.
2.
What an awful day. It's raining again.
I know. It's so cold and wet. What shall we do?
Let's stay in and watch a DVD.
So, let's.
It's rainy
Watch out,
again.
is bad was it?
It is bad. Exactly.
Bad
So,
Yes.
and yet and wet.
so
Yes.
Watch a DVD.
watch a DVD.
Watch a DVD, yes.
Stay home. Exactly. Stay home and watch a DVD. Now, the next conversation.
Tape script 11.
This is it. Okay, we still have only 2 conversations exactly. Now we have to write what we listened. So we have to listen again to fill the blanks.
12. Making suggestions. 1.
What a lovely day.
Yeah, it's really warm and sunny. What shall we do?
Let's go for a walk.
So,
Let's go for
Warm and
walk.
sunny.
Warm and
exactly.
sunny.
Warm
Let's
and
go
sunny.
for
Go
work.
for work. Yes.
Amazing. So warm and sunny.
sunny.
Exactly.
Let's go for work.
Let's. Let's is the abbreviation of let us go for a walk. So go for a walk. This is the first suggestion. Now the next one.
2.
What an awful day. It's raining again.
I know. It's so cold and wet. What shall we do?
Let's stay in and watch a DVD.
So,
So
Cold.
cold
So
and
cold
wet.
and what?
Cold and
Yeah,
wet. Let's stay and at home and play a DVD.
amazing. Exactly. So it's really cold and wet. Let's stay home and watch a DVD. Home and watch a DVD. So this is D, this is D. So this is it, guys. Now we have to check the next exercise. Guys, if you have any suggestion, notice that you can use two things. One, you can use shall, and two, you can use let's. So we use shall with or maybe and we ask for making suggestions. Notice the example. The example, what shall we do? So maybe the question is, shall we go swimming? That means I suggest that we go swimming. So in certain places, if you want to use shall, it is the same meaning of using suggest. So shall we go swimming means I suggest that we can go swimming. And you can use let's. Absolutely, guys. Let's is the abbreviation of let us. Let us go. Let's have a pizza. I suggest again that we all go. So let's go means I suggest that we all go. Okay, guys?
Teacher, what is meaning of shall and suggest?
Suggest is يقترح.
Okay.
I suggest that we can go. أقترح بأنه يمكننا الذهاب. أقترح بأن نتناول البيتزا. أقترح
Okay, I
بأن نشاهد
understand.
فيلم. So suggest. Absolutely, the noun of suggest is suggestion. اقتراح. Now, exercise 3, guys, is connected to exercise 2. I think too much unknown people are trying to join the meeting. Guys, please, the link that I sent to the group is only for you. Try to not share the link to anyone, except if you want to ask the permission of teacher Alamuddin, because he told me that I don't have to accept anyone who is not in the course. So I have to be sorry for the people who are trying to join us. So guys, if you have a friend or someone you know wants to join the meeting, please try to ask Alamuddin. And if he says yes, I'm going to accept whatever you want or whoever you want. Okay. So guys, now 3 is saying we have to complete the conversation 2, just to continue the conversation here, and we have to try to match them. Now, if you notice that, what a lovely day. Yeah, it's really this thing and this thing. What shall we do? Let's do something. Now, let's try to expect the rest of the conversation. So I think I have to go back to 12 to 11 and 12. Let's solve it again and let's complete the conversation.
Tape script 11.12. Making suggestions. 1.
What a lovely day. Yeah, it's really warm and sunny.
So we said it's warm and sunny. This is number 1. So let's listen to the first suggestion. This is warm and sunny. Okay, next.
What shall we do? Let's go for a walk.
So let's go for a walk.
For a work.
Oh no.
How can we complete the conversation?
Oh no, it's too hot to walk.
Exactly. Oh no, it's too hot to walk. Exactly. Now, 2.